The Lee County RNG plant takes the methane emissions from the landfill and it turns it into renewable, clean, and dispatchable energy resource. It's a powerful example of the circular economy in action, where waste is not discarded but turned into a valuable asset.
Being here today is a great reminder that the word sustainability means nothing without a talented and committed team to bring projects like this to life.
The Lee County RNG facility is a testament to the positive impact we can have when we work together towards a common goal. The goal is to have it to be a more sustainable world.
The project we celebrate today is very, very special, and it wouldn't be possible without the strong partnership that we have with Ameresco.
This state-of-the-art facility converts everyday waste into usable fuel, but it also provides improved air quality in the communities. We will deliver over 1 million decatherms of renewable natural gas to the market each year.
So what you're experiencing here is this great growth in the beneficial use of waste to produce renewable energy and economic development locally. Every one of these projects has their own fingerprint. You're getting a sense of the fingerprint that this project has here. So it's really exciting to be able to welcome the 13th RNG project to Illinois, new landfill gas project, the 117th operational project in the state of Illinois, and over 2,500 operational projects now.
We appreciate, obviously, all partnerships like this. It's great for our students to see the power of relationships and partnerships within the community.